With its very modern boomerang shaped LED lights, this the deep V-motion grille, and a spattering of tasty looking new 17 and 18 inch alloys available, as well as its clam shaped style front and rear, this is the latest generation Nissan Qashqai. Now it's immediate when you're out here on the road driving the latest generation Qashqai, what Nissan have done with this vehicle. It is firstly such a quiet, refined place to be seated. Not only an extremely comfortable cabin, well ergonomically laid out, I love this, the D-shaped squared off steering wheel, the ease of use, and overall the surfaces which have been used in here, they are premium and tactile. I love the ergonomics of the cabin, the way you've got easy reach of a lot of features in here, such as seat warmers on this one here, the Center Plus. You've got all kinds of clever safety systems going on. It's got Nissan's intelligent mobility. That's the likes of intelligent blind spot warning, intelligent emergency braking, and even intelligent cross-traffic monitoring. It's all reasons why this car is so incredibly safe, and there are a wealth of active and passive safety systems going on here. Apart from this, you find the Qashqai is a really refined and quiet cabin, very comfortable, a lot of space up front, seated in the back, and an impressive boot as well. 430 litres of capacity with the seats folded up, increased to 680 litres with the seats folded flat, and you've got the standard 60-40 split, so loading of larger objects is a real treat. Now even for somebody of my height, about 180 centimeters tall, the back of the Qashqai is a nice comfortable place to be seated. I've got decent knee room, headroom's good too, I've got little handy storage compartments, and easy access to overall usability. Yes, you can have it with a 1.2 litre turbo petrol, that'll give you 85 kilowatts of power, 190 newton meters of torque. But for me, the one you want to go for is the one I'm driving today. It's the 1.5 litre dCi motor, the turbo diesel. It's not because it's a massive power plant with loads of power to offer up. The power is impressive enough. It manages to tug it along just decently, but where it really shines is in terms of its fuel economy figures. I've been driving it now for a week, and I've taken it on some serious long distance driving, and even if you thrash the motor, you're able to achieve impressive fuel economy figures. I will easily get 1,000 kilometers out of a tank, and I've been averaging, without much sweat, below 5 liters per 100 kilometers, which is a simply sensational figure for a large family SUV like the Qashqai. With its wealth of features and prices starting from below 350,000 Rand and ranging up to below 450,000 for the range-topping Techno edition, it's no wonder the Nissan Qashqai is so well received worldwide. It also comes coupled with Nissan's 6-year, 150,000 kilometer manufacturer warranty and 3-year, 90,000 kilometer service plan. From me, Jason of Technobark, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.
Technobark.